Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello, I welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. Obviously, I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a local way. Buenas tardes, good evening. So till now, we have done that part. We have done stem changing verbs. That was the very hardest part till now. Okay, so we have done that part, stem changing verbs, which are normally the part of irregular verbs. Okay, not the part of regular verbs. Okay, regular verbs and irregular verbs are different. Okay, and stem changing verbs are the part of irregular verbs. Okay, today also we are going to learn about irregular verbs, but we are going to learn the exceptions of irregular verbs, the exceptional cases of irregular verbs. Okay, so first will be yo form. So in this case, what we are going to do, like we were doing in stem changing verbs, we will conjugate the verb in singular form and plural form. Okay, first person, second person, third person. But in this, what we are going to do, we are going to conjugate only yo form like we were doing in stem changing verbs, and others will remain same as we were doing for regular verbs. Okay, we will do that same. So for yo form, we will conjugate the verb like we were doing in stem changing verbs. But for the other cases, we are not going to conjugate them like we were doing in stem changing verbs. Okay, we will conjugate them normally like we do for regular verbs. Okay, so this is the exception of irregular verbs. So we are going to take the examples. We are going to take AR, IR and ER ending verbs for these examples. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the examples that we have taken. Okay, dar is an AR ending verb, poner ER, salir IR. Dar means to give something. Okay, I give a gift to my friend. Poner, to put something on the table. Okay, salir, to go from somewhere. Okay, salir de mi casa, I go from my house. Okay, salir de. Okay, so in these conjugations, what we are going to do, we are going to conjugate the first person only differently. Okay, doi, as you can see here, doi, pongo. Okay, so these are the exceptions. There is no rule for these conjugations. You have to learn them eventually. Okay, salgo. Okay, and second person will be same, das, AR, as. Okay, yo doy, yo pongo, yo salgo. Okay, and after that all will be same. So these are the conjugations, as you can see here. These are the full conjugations, okay, of these verbs. Dar, which means to give something. So as you can see here, these are the odd one out. Okay, these are the odd one out. So that's why I was saying, like we were doing for stem changing verbs, this is the first person yo form, which is like stem changing. Okay, these are the same as, amos, ais, an. Okay, es, hemos, eis, en. Okay, sales, sale, salimos, sales, salen. Okay, so the first person is the odd one out, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to put the list in the description part of this video. Okay, I'm going to put the list of some verbs which are the part of this yo form exceptional case of irregular verb. Okay, so in those verbs, what you all are going to do, you are going to conjugate first person differently. Okay, and other than that, all conjugations are same like we were doing in regular verbs. Okay, try to conjugate them, try to learn different verbs. So that was it. This is the first exceptional case of irregular verbs. Let's move to the next exception case. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the second part of exceptional case of irregular verbs. Okay, this is the second part. Okay, so in this part, this is the only verb. There are no other verbs in this part. Okay, so you can learn, this will be easier. Okay, this is the AR ending verb, jugar, which means to play. Okay, I play football. Yo juego football. Okay, I play football. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to change you into UE. Okay, juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, these are the exceptional case, as you all know that, like we were doing in stem changed verbs. Okay, jugamos, jugáis, juegan. Okay, so in the second part, this is the only verb which is a part of second exceptional case of irregular verbs. Okay, jugar, which means to play. So you can learn yo form, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, first, second, third, these all are the singular forms. These all are the plural forms. Okay, so that was it for the second exceptional case of irregular verbs. Okay, so there will be so many exceptions and exceptional cases of irregular verbs and regular verbs in Spanish language, because exceptions are always there in Spanish language. Okay, so that was it in today's video. So stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. You will get to know so many things, and there are so many videos that I'm going to upload soon. There are so many videos that are going to come, and that will be fun. So that was it for today. Stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way. So hasta pronto. Adios.